coaching time. This is the end of week 5. In this week, we learned there are countable and uncountable nouns. At the end of the week, we used this information to describe a picture. I want to talk about describing a picture. This is a task that is evaluated in a lot of international examinations. It is important for you to practice this if you want to take eventually, you're right, you want to take one of these international examinations. But also, it is really important to practice this because it's a very good way of one, learning vocabulary of your surroundings, and two, practice fluency. Practicing fluency is a very, very difficult task when you don't have another person to practice. So, using the context where you are, your environment to speak will help you a lot in moments in which you do not have a partner. Okay, so how do we do this? Usually we read from left to right, okay? So that is the order that you will follow for describing a place or picture. So you start from the left to the right and then back, okay? So there is a window, there is a whiteboard, there is a door, there is some water, there are pencils, there's a mouse. Okay, so you go like this, describing the place in which you are. Try to keep a rhythm when you describe. There is this, there is that. Okay, so don't linger too much on one place. Practice. If you do not know the word, write it down, and after your practice, look it up. Okay, you can go into Google and just translate the word so you can know how to name all the objects that you are usually in contact with. This is a very nice practice that will help you in fluency, speaking for longer periods of time, okay? So I hope this helps you to practice some fluency because remember that distance learning needs other tools for you to practice producing language. We do the recordings every day, but we also need to do longer practices, okay? So this skill will help you a lot. Okay, so I'll see you next week.